right, we're getting ready to fire this bad boy up. Twin Hemis. Watch this.
Yeah, it was, but it's still. Want to go past there? What you got? Is that him? Out of an early Dodge 4-door sedan. 2 of them. They're in line. 671 GMC blower from California. Hillborn injectors. 2 Vertex magnetos. The main part of the whole car is a synchronizer coupling right here. If this engine misfires, that coupling is going to shear off. If it misfires too much, it's going to shear and lock up and blow the motor right off the top of the engine, blow the blower apart. And you'll see this. This is on straight alcohol because of the cold weather. You put nitro in here, nitro's going to explode because it don't do good in cold weather. You got to have the weather hot so nitro heats up, and that's what they don't want to do here. So we're going to use regular alcohol for it, and it should work out okay. The main thing is to synchronize this motor, and then this motor will turn over. This motor will turn over first, then it will turn this motor over. This motor is already synchronized. The plugs are gapped the same. It's gapped in the Vertex magneto. The timing is the same, somewhere around 47, 48 degrees turtle timing. This will spin this motor back here without no trouble, and it has to be totally synchronized. And there's the genius behind the whole thing. He built this whole thing. One night, him and his wife had a fight. He said, "To hell with it! I'm going to build a twin-engine dragster." And he sat up all night. He said, "You better like it because you're going to sleep with it." He said, "It's going to be better than you, baby." And there he's sleeping with it. So now he lives in Philadelphia. And take note, there were 4 other cars. They didn't show up. He did. He don't have to do this.
Yeah, buddy.
You got to be nuts to do this. But he's half nuts. And he wants to please all of you people. And you're never going to see somebody do this, fire up a top fuel car in the snow.
All right, brother. All right, brother. It's a 392 Hemi, by the way.
Ready?
Oh boy.
Now you.
Oop, gotta juice it.
Now he's going to prime the car as he primed this, but he's using straight pump gas on here and on here. You just squirt so much in, you don't want to put a lot in, and now this one's ready to go, and this one is ready to go also at the same time.
Oh.
to beat twin Chrysler Hemis. Just like that. 48 volts to try and turn these over. You see, you got to get prime this motor back here, and then prime this one up here, and start the primary motor, and then fire the both of them. And he engineered the whole thing from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. You got any questions? You got anything you want to know? Don't be afraid to ask them. There's a lot of dumb things that were done on that car when it runs. But he'll answer your questions and he'll tell you how to build one. Okay, you gotta move this out of the way.
In the snow.
Don't touch the pipe over here on the bottom. We had Hahn and Turner at Bloomsburg and it was short. And Richard Hahn, who passed away, the band stopped playing, thin to the bone. It burned him really bad.
We put the grass on fire. You guys remember? Hey, Rick, tell them about how we put the grass on fire at the museum.